G'day everybody, hope you're well. This is proudly brought to you by FTX. If you haven't got an account, 10% off your trading fees in the link or the description below, as well as videos on how to go long and short and to manage your risk on the platform. It's also in the description, so go get stuck in. Okay, so I've created a list on lower time frames right now, and here's the reason why. Of course, Bitcoin did have a nice little move up yesterday. It hasn't done too much, all right? It's a 2.5% or 2.4%, there you go, move. And as much as I'll take it, it looks as though it's based off the back of Square buying some $50 million of Bitcoin. And as much as that's great, it hasn't changed the chart structure all that much for me just yet. Sure, it's a little positive as we've tapped up into there. We've got a couple of tests at that point, need to break that. I still want to see 11,200. That's my key level right now to break for me to have more opportunity, right? That being said, that's on the daily. If I squirrel down lower and look at here, right, let's go throw this up. You can see what I'm looking at here, right? We push above there, we start to get above 11,000 or approach 11,000. Lower time frame wise, cyclicity starts to come back. It has just kind of raced straight up. But what I've done today is I've gone down and I looked at the lower time frames to look for opportunities, and that's my take on Bitcoin, but I'll show you where I see some opportunities potentially coming about. First things first, let's hit Binance. So Binance, let's have a look at it on the daily. It's not saying too much. It's not bad. It's just not great. You know, we did see this bounce, 18, whoosh, straight up, back down, straight back up again. Consolidation. Look at the rejection of 27. One. Oh, look, there's more than one. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're starting to come out of that now. Now, I know it's not the greatest of trends out there. Look, I get it. But what I've done here is I actually spotted this on the 4-hour and went, ooh, a little bit of a reversal here. The 2-hour makes it a bit clearer with that higher low, and we've just broken up through that level. Have a look here on the 1-hour. Higher low, higher high. Now, what I want it to do is to keep going. Why? Because when I talk about trading the cradle strategy that you've learned, I'm looking at this to move away and pull back. And if it does do that, here's the level I want to be buying at. I'm going to be buying somewhere down around 27.80, right? Which I want to see this push up maybe to 27.50, something like, or 28.50, something like that, and then pull back into this level so old resistance can act as new support. Now, as much as that trade is not there just yet, that doesn't bother me. It's about planning the trade. And that's the plan that I've got for Binance. I want to see it move. If we do start to see that momentum, we will have a clear higher low and higher high, and we will have conditions for which I'm happy to trade the cradle in. Something else that I saw here was PrivPerp. Have a look at this. Higher low, higher high. It's there. The trend is there. The daily, hey, look, honestly, it's a bit messy, all right? It is a bit messy. It needs to break up through 777 or thereabouts, and then we've got plenty of room. Look at this on the weekly too. Get us up through there and we're looking much more positive. So that's a good thing. Now if I just wanted to go, I was over here. Whoops. Going back now to this 4-hour, it was, wasn't it? Higher low, higher high, pulling back, moving averages in the correct order. Look at this 2-hour as well. Higher low, higher high, moving averages, nice. Good convergence there. Now we're ticking boxes for the cradle strategy. If I go to the 1-hour, look, this is not for the faint-hearted, and it's not the best cradle. I will tell you that much. But for those of you who might not have taken a trade for a while, I would suggest if you are going to trade something like this, bring the risk down a notch. You've got 21 minutes and 59 seconds till this close. We want to take that risk down. And why would I suggest that? Because I know that after a period of slow trading conditions, it have been for the cradle anyway, for me. You know, for that sort of period, sometimes you can lose a little bit of confidence and you might get a bit of analysis paralysis. Sometimes it's good to just get yourself back into the game. And to do that, you might take trades that aren't exactly flawlessly perfect, absolute tick every box. Well, they've got to tick all the boxes, but absolutely flawless. So minimize that risk, get your trade on, get that feeling of being back in the market. You're not after a profit, you're not after anything, you're after getting yourself feeling good again. So PrivPerp, potentially just there. My favorite chart though, and I'm going to wait for this one, is Rune. Let's jump back out to this 4-hour. Higher low, higher high. It's not the greatest of trends, let's be honest, but look at this move. Starting to get some momentum. There's nothing there that screams out great trend. There's nothing here that screams out great trend. 4-hour looks good. 2-hour, it's good. Give me a pullback. 1. Give me a pullback. 2. Good cyclicity there. Now, I know that not everybody knows what my booster trading strategy is, but I'm just going to draw in these fibs and see if I get anything lining up. No is the answer. Straight up, no. There you go. But I'm very happy to stalk this on the 1 hour. Why? Well, look at this. It's just beautiful. A pull back into this region here, and you little ripper, I will fill my boots with that one. Looks really, really nice. Good cyclicity, and we're just starting to see a little bit more of the market coming back into these conditions, because we were down, then we were sideways, then we were up, and we've just come up quickly overnight. So I'm waiting to see what comes of it. But these are the charts that I like the best. So again, if you don't have your FTX trading account, use the description below to receive 10% off your trading fees. Long and short videos, risk management videos, all in the description below. Give the video a like and share it in your groups. I'm more than happy to do more of this sort of stuff. I hope you're well. If you're not feeling good or whatever, call your mates, see if they're okay. Let them know that you're not okay if you are not. Take care, and any questions, please, in the comments. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.